Alrighty guys, I'm going to tell you today how to get free wood for your woodworking or your business. Alright guys, to start off with, got all of this wood for free. I got that wood for free. I got this all for free. Got this mountain in the middle. This is all white oak, red oak, and a little bit of poplar. I got that mahogany, and then this 12-quarter white oak for free. And then all that wood back there, it's mostly oak and maple. But I got all of this without paying for it. Because guys, I got more than that. I mean, got some 16-footer ash right there. The trick is, my friends, you make life easier for somebody. You go to a place that makes things with wood in mass. Like, big cabinet shops, even small cabinet shops will give you good stuff. But the trick is you don't want to be one of those freaking fools that's just sitting there going, I don't know if I can take this. It might not be good enough for me. I know. Look at this white oak. White oak. I don't think I can take that one. I just want ones like this. Or I just want the black walnut. Just give me I just want the big pieces of black walnut. Don't give me the little ones. That fool is getting blocked, man. How I got this is I go to places. I go to cabinet shops and I go to a few factories and I just say, hey man, what do you do with your offcuts? What do you do with your off rails? What do you do with it? And they normally say, oh, I throw it away or I burn it. And I just go, you know what? Instead of throwing it in your dumpster, which you have to pay for, most commercial places have to pay for the dumpster by the weight. When the garbage truck picks it up, it weighs it and they have to pay for the weight. And wood is heavy, especially hardwood. So a lot of these guys, they're paying thousands of dollars to have this stuff thrown away. This was all destined for the trash, except for the mahogany. So then you go in there. What I do is I go to them and I say, hey guys, so that stuff you're going to throw away, how about instead of you throwing it away, how about you just dump it in my trailer real quick? Just dump it in my trailer. Have them dump it in. And then like here, I'll give you guys an example. So like one time I went in there, and I was just getting off rails, just really thin strips. I was walking by, I saw they had trash cans like this, just full of wood, just like this. And so what I said to them, I was like, what do you guys do with that? What is the wood in that trash can? Oh, it's going to go in the trash. I was like, how about you dump it in my trailer with the other wood? And they did. And then they got to a point where I don't call them, guys. They call me and they're like, hey man, come take this wood. And I got to a point where I'm drowning in it. So I got to a point, I can't use it fast enough. So I'm trying to sell it to people. And it was really annoying when you get a bunch of wood like this. I had a stack like this top one of maple, right? It was a little over 200 board feet. And, anywhere from 8 foot to 12 foot long. I couldn't even sell that stuff for $60. Most of those turds who were trying to buy it were just butts, man. They were just like, him and a hon, and that's too much. It's like, really, dude? It's like 10 cents a board. It's 15 cents a board foot roundabout. You're gonna whine about that? That's why you don't get good deals. And then a guy came, paid me $30. Helped me load it in his truck. I was happy as could be. I gave him a bunch of white oak to go with it. That's how you get these wood deals. So I'll show you just a second. I got all that wood inside for free because I took all of this. Now there is some usable pieces in here, but I'm just getting enough of it, man. But I got this wood, and it takes stuff like this. Off rails, just random bits and broken boards. But yeah, man, if you accept all of this stuff, you save them the trouble and the time and the money. The trouble, the time, and the money of paying the dumpster man, and they're gonna reward you. That's how I got the mahogany, because I'm not charging them. I'm saving them a crap ton of money. They're making me a crap ton of money. So it's a mutual relationship, but as a thank you, they gave me the mahogany because I had it sitting around. You know, the customer that they had for it fell through, but the deposit paid for the amount that I got, and they didn't have time to make something with it. They were too busy with commission deals, and so they needed somewhere to get rid of it, and so they gave it to me as a thank you. And that's what you guys need to do. Be the guy that goes in there and says, hey man, I don't care if there's crap. Sorry, there's got invaded by a cow. Left the door open. Rookie mistake. But anyways, but just be the guy that goes in there. You solve problems by saying, hey man, I'll just take it. Take the crap. Don't be so picky, man. The people like, even me with myself with like trying to get rid of some of this. I'm not trying to make a fortune. I'm just trying to recoup. I mean, I sold over 200 board feet of maple for $30. And I normally sell a lot of this stuff for really cheap. But the trick is the people who are sitting there hemming and hawing about it, wanting exact measurements of every board. And, you know, and they come here and they're going to be like, sitting there staring at these pieces of wood for hours. They're a waste of freaking time. They're never getting invited back. They're getting blocked. But the people who come in and they're like, I got $100, man. What kind of wood what can I get? Man, I'm filling up their truck. And that's what you got to do, guys. Don't be if you want the good wood deals, don't be a whiny turd. Be the guy who solves the problems by just taking the crap. I mean, I don't take the sawdust. And I don't take the shavings, but I take the little broken pieces of wood, stuff they don't want to mess with. But I know I can burn it pretty easy, and it makes good charcoal for my barbecue. So it's still a win-win. When I'm unloading the trailer and sorting stuff, whenever I'm working out here, I just have a burn barrel going. It doesn't hurt me. In fact, it keeps the mosquitoes away. But yeah, guys, but that's just my little tip, a long little rant. If you want free stuff, you just got to go to places that use wood. Sawmills are another good one too. And just say, hey man, load me up. And they'll give you some good stuff. If you get some crap, guess what? It burns. It's wood. And it's more than you had before. So why are you being picky and whiny, little dude? If you want really nice stuff, like if I went to them and said, oh, I only want this, they normally sell these for $1 a piece. That's still a good price, but I don't want to pay $1 a piece when I can get it for free just because I got a pile of crap in the back that I'm going to burn. I don't pay nothing to burn it. I just throw in a burn barrel and burn it. So guys, don't be picky. Don't be whiny in the chats going, oh, I can never get good deals. You can never get good deals because you're too picky, man. That's as simple as it gets. Y'all have a good one. Sorry this rant was long and a little bit all over the place. But man, happy.